Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes. Before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready students. Everyone sit in your place. Sit. Close your eyes. Backbone straight na. Keep backbone straight and sit properly. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. 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 Stop children. Coming to the point. Children, last previous class what you learned? How to read the calendar. Yes. Now how to read the time also you should learn. Okay. How to say the time. Okay. Chapter 7 time 7.2. Okay. See children, in earlier days, how you say time, tell me? Because of sun. When sun will rise and sun will set, we can observe the sun and we can say the time. In earlier days. Nowadays, we are observing the time in the clock. Yes. See, here this is clock. Yes. In this clock, how many numbers are here? 12 numbers. Yes. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 numbers. How many hands has here? How many hands is here? 3 hands. See? Short hand, long hand, thin hand. What are they? Short hand, long hand, thin hand. Short hand says hours. Short hand says hours. Long hand says minutes. Thin hand it says seconds. Understood children? Short hand it says hours. Long hand it says minutes. Thin hand it says seconds. See, you should know this. See, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Understood children? 60 seconds. See, this thin hand, it rose 12 to again 12. One round. That is called 60 seconds. That is called 1 minute. Understood? Next. Thirty minutes. 30 minutes. 30 minutes means what? This long hand, it will move ear to ear. 6. 30 minutes. What we call? Half an hour. Half an hour. Understood? Ear to ear. Sorry. First I will say 15 minutes. 15 minutes. See, this long hand, it moves 12 to 3. We'll call 15 minutes. 15 minutes means what? Quarter. Quarter hour. Understood, children? Now, 30 minutes. 30 minutes is equal to, see, this long hand, it moves 12 to 6. We will call 30 minutes. Half an hour. Understood, children? Now, this long hand moves here to full again 12. 1 hour. What is that? 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. See, this long hand, sorry, this short hand moves 24 hours. We'll say 1 day. Understood, children? See, 7 days is equal to 1 week. 7 days is equal to 1 week. 4 or 5 weeks is equal to 1 month. 4 or 5 weeks is equal to 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 12 months is equal to 1 year. You should copy in the classwork, ma. Copy this in the classwork. AM, PM. Do you know AM? AM means what? Ante-meridiem. AM. PM, post meridiem. You should know this. AM means morning. PM means afternoon. Yes, you should know this. Copy in the classwork, ma. Everyone should copy in the classwork. Understood? Children, how to draw the clock, observe, and I will say you how to read the time also. Okay? See, observe. First circle you should draw. After that, here 12, here 6, here 9, here 3. Okay? See? 5 minutes after that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. See children, here 12 to 1, 5 minutes. S plus here 5 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 plus here 5. S. See here, 12 to 1, 5 minutes. 12 to 2, 10 minutes. 12 to 3, 15 minutes. 12 to 4, 20 minutes. 12 to 5, 25 minutes. 12 to 6, 30 minutes. 12 to 7, 35 minutes. 12 to 8, 40 minutes. 12 to 9, 45 minutes. 12 to 10, 50 minutes. 12 to 11, 55 minutes. 12 to 12, 60 minutes. Yes or no children? See, year to year, 5. See, shorthand. If shorthand will show 1, longhand will show 7. What is the time now? What is the time now? Shorthand is in hour hand. S 1. Longhand is in minute hand. What is the time now? 1:35. 1:35. Now, shorthand it shows 4 and longhand it shows 12. What is the time now? See, shorthand means hour. S 4. Longhand is in 60. 60 means what? Full completed. Hour is completed. S. That's why 4 o'clock. 2 zeros. Understood? 4:60 will write? No. 1 hour it's completed. That's why 4 o'clock. Understood? Again. See? Long and short hand is in 7. Sorry. Short hand is in 7 and 8 middle, and long hand is in 3. What is the time? 7. See, short hand is in hour hand. S. Long hand is in minute hand. That's why. What is the time? 15. 7:15 is the time. S. Now again. See. Short hand is in 10 and 11 middle. Long hand is in 6. What is the time now? 10:30. Yes. What is the time now? 10:30. Understood children? How you are reading the time? See now again. If shorthand is in 2, long hand is in 11. Sorry, 11 not, 2 not. 2 or 3 in the middle. Okay. What is the time now? What is the time now? 2:55. 2:55. Still 5 minutes is there for 3 o'clock. Understood children? Like that. Understood? See. See here. What is the time now? See. Short hand is in 1. Long hand is in 3. What is the time? 1:15. Understood children what I am saying? See. Again. If the short hand is in 5, long hand is in 12. What is the time now? 5 o'clock. Understood? Hour hand is in 5. Minute hand is in 12. What is the time now? 5 o'clock. Now, hour hand is in 12. Short hand is in 12. What is the time? 12 o'clock. Understood children? See, Hour hand also 12, minute hand also 12. No, hour hand is in 12, short hand is in 1. What is the time? 1 o'clock. Understood, children? Understood what I am saying? Okay. Copy in the classwork ma. This one also. Because you should know minutes. Okay. See children, do you know AM and PM? Yes. We can say AM. Morning we will say AM. And afternoon we will say PM. Yes. What does that mean by AM? Ante-meridum. Ante-meridum is the AM. Understood? AM means what? Ante-meridum. PM means post-meridum. PM. Understood? See, in the morning means what? Midnight 12 to afternoon 12. We will say morning, AM. Yes. Afternoon 12 to midnight 12 we will say PM. Yes or no, children? Morning hours, night hours, you know no, children? You should know this. You should write this. Okay? AM and PM. Children, here see, observe this calendar, observe this clock and say the time now. See, what is the time? Here, short hand is in 5 and 6 between. S, long hand is in 9. What is the time now? Tell me. 5:45. S, here. What is the time here? Here, see, short hand is in 7 and 8 between. S, long hand is in 6. What is the time now? 7:30. Yes. Here, see here, observe this. Short hand is in 9 and 10 between. Long hand is in 3. What is the time? 9:15. Yes. Here. See here. Short hand is in 3. Long hand is in 6 on 6. Yes. What is the time? 3:30. Here. Short hand is in 2. Long hand is in 4. What is the time? 2:20. Understood, children?